Today I'll show you exactly how to send large videos over Telegram, even if you're running into size limits or worried about losing quality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the best way to share high-quality video files, whether you're sending a birthday party clip to a friend or handing off a work project with lots of footage. Let's jump right into those easy fixes. First up, there's a really handy way to preserve your video's original quality, sending your video as a file. In Telegram, this method makes a huge difference. Instead of just tapping gallery or photo video, find the chat you want to send the video to, then tap the attachment icon. It usually looks like a little paperclip. Now choose File, not Gallery. This is important. Choosing File lets you send your video as a document, which means it'll stay uncompressed and won't lose clarity like regular video messages sometimes do. Browse your device for the video you want and select it. Telegram will send it just as you see it, a big win if you've got crisp 4K footage or a project you can't afford to have blurry. Just be aware Telegram has a limit here. Free users can send individual files up to 2 GB. If your video's under that size, you're golden. If not, don't worry, there's a fix and I'll tell you about it next. If your video is over that 2 GB limit, you have a couple of good options. First, you can shrink the size of the video using a compressor. You don't need fancy paid software for this. Just open your browser, Google free online video compressor, and you'll find lots of easy tools. They'll help reduce the file size without totally wrecking the quality. Sometimes, the process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and how big the video is. If the video still won't fit, another strategy is to split your video into smaller sections. You can use simple video editing apps to cut your big clip into 2, 3, or more parts and send each one individually. Think of this like sending chapters of a book rather than the whole thing at once. That makes it easier for your recipient. They can download and watch each piece without hitting any frustrating limits. But what if the video is giant, like a full-length movie or a long event recording? For those really massive files, cloud storage is your friend. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive let you upload huge videos. Once your video is uploaded, just create a shareable link. Each platform will have an option to get link or copy link. Then paste that link into your Telegram chat. Your friend clicks the link and downloads the video directly. It's super reliable, and you don't have to worry about Telegram's file limits at all. This is something I use all the time for work projects or sharing long family videos. Now, for those of you who use Telegram a lot or share big files routinely, Telegram Premium might actually be worth considering. Premium users get to send files up to 4 GB, which is twice as much as the free version. That means you can avoid compressing or splitting files altogether, saving you time. If you find yourself often bumping into those limits, upgrading could be a game changer. And that's it. With these methods, you'll always have a way to send big videos through Telegram, whether you care most about quality, speed, or just getting the file through. If this helped you out or you learned something new, hit that like button. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And for more straightforward tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching and good luck sharing those videos.